Hey guys, welcome to Ultimate Survival Tips. I'm David, back from a really long break from YouTube with some exciting news for you today. After nearly 4 years of design, prototyping, and listening to our customers, I've developed a brand new beastly blade that retains all of the major characteristics of my MSK1 knife line, but comes in a package that will be of particular interest to those who want an all-in-one knife solution for camping, bushcraft, and tactical applications. So today, I'm proud to introduce to you the versatile, rugged, and all-new Pac One Survival Camping Bushcraft and Tactical Knife.
This is the all-new Pac One knife from Ultimate Survival Tips. Designed by podcaster and the founder of Ultimate Survival Tips, David Robert, and made by Tops Knives, the Pac One knife is a versatile, all-in-one cutting tool solution that was inspired by the legendary Samurai Kwaiken, Scandinavian Puukko, and the original MSK1 multi-scenario knife. Created in the same vein as the MSK1, the Pac One carries forward the toughness, versatility, and major features, advantages, and benefits of the MSK1 knife, while adding desirable design innovations like a streamlined profile and lighter weight. Perfect for camping, hunting, bushcraft, tactical applications, or almost any utility cutting need, Pac One knife boasts a full tang, fixed blade, forged from tough edge-retaining 154 cm stainless steel that measures 10.2 inches from pointy tip to rock-crushing butt. Pac One retains the field removable handle grip package, reversible bow drill divot, and the 20-item handle survival kit of MSK1 knife, enabling you to lighten your kit and always be prepared in the event of a survival, worst-case scenario, or bug-out situation. Top and bottom side jimping paired with grooved ergonomic canvas micarta handle slabs meets small, medium, and large hands with a familiar welcome home feeling that inspires confidence during any weather condition and reduces hot spots during extended use in the field. Remove the exclusive proprietary ultra-wide slotted handle screws using a flat object in the field to reveal a hidden compartment that holds our exclusive 20-item handle survival kit containing a mini ferro rod, Baddest Bee fire tinder, fishing hooks, a magnetized sewing needle, sinkers, safety pins, a 35-foot roll of multi-purpose line, cork bobber, survival kit bands, water purification tablets, and a 1-liter water bag. To unlock the built-in dual fire-making capabilities of the Pac One knife system, use the stainless steel handle divot to virtually eliminate handhold friction from your bow drill kit, or simply pair the rear ferro rod striker with your favorite fire steel, or the mini fire steel that is included in your handle survival kit to engineer morale-boosting blaze. The sleek clip point 4.7-inch shaving sharp, full fine-edged blade with narrow belly is designed with a user-sharpenable top swedge and center-aligned tip for drilling, piercing, and carving precision. The proprietary flat graphite black Cerakote finish further increases corrosion resistance, while virtually eliminating glare and reflection for times when this knife is your only friend in a hostile environment. When not in use, the Pac One securely rides, nearly unnoticed, in the included low-profile, multi-position tactical Kydex sheath that supports standard, right or left-handed, scout, and inverted carry. Designed, field-tested, and proudly made in the USA, the Pac One knife is the next generation of the legendary MSK1 series of beastly blades from Ultimate Survival Tips.
All right guys, there you have it, my all-new Pac One knife. So here's the deal. For the first time ever, I'm skipping Kickstarter and making this new knife available for you to purchase right now. But you've got to hurry because I only have 190 first edition knives in stock and ready to ship. So if you want to grab your first run Pac One knife before they're all gone, go over to ultimatesurvivaltips.com and secure yours right now. And before I go, I want to thank you for your continued support, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up as I kick off a new season of videos on YouTube with some sweet new gear and training. All right, I think that's about it. I'm David. I hope to see you on the other side, and remember, be prepared because you never know